Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, fan, and system board. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel, power connector, audio board ribbon, and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the top cover. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Open the display panel assembly and rotate it approximately 270 degrees so that the display panel is facing away from the top cover. While supporting the display panel assembly, remove the two 3.5mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Remove the two 3.5mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Carefully guide the display panel assembly out from under the lip on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Note: if you are installing a new top cover, remove the following from the old top cover and install onto the new top cover: touchpad board, right speaker, left speaker, audio board, power connector cable, card reader board, keyboard. Guide the display panel hinges on the display panel assembly under the lip of the top cover and align the screw holes and alignment pins on the top cover with the display panel hinges. Important: ensure that the wireless antenna, audio board ribbon, power connector, and display panel cables are free from being pinched between the display panel assembly and top cover. While supporting the display panel assembly, replace the two 3.5mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Replace the two 3.5mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Close the display panel assembly. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the top cover. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channel on the top cover.